Hi there. Welcome to the Silver Elite Academy. This is just a quick welcome video to say hi, to introduce myself. Over the next 2 trainings, you're going to hear my voice but not see my face. On the last training that I do, it'll be a video. And that's where we're going to talk about team training and team inspiration and team growth. But the next 2, the first 2 are going to be audio trainings. So it's up to you to actually listen, take notes. I've given you a handbook with just bullet points, but there's lots of information that will be given on the audio trainings that you really need to listen to. What always makes a difference if what you've invested in actually works is, number 1, that you set time aside to listen. When are you going to listen? And then number 2, taking action afterwards. You have to put into practice what you hear and what you learn. And I recommend doing it right away, because hopefully you're going to feel inspired and motivated after you listen to these calls. And the best time to take action is immediately. So many of my training clients that are very successful, we will have a call together or we'll do a group training, and within 24 hours they have accomplished what they set forth on their to-do list. And so I know that you can do it, but it will take action on your end. What I wanted to spend this time welcoming to you for is, before we can jump in on how to promote to Silver Elite, you really have to know what a Silver Elite is. And so one of the tools I've given you is a bubble sheet. It's an advancement bubble sheet, if you call it that. I've got one right here in front of me. And I want to go through it with you really quick. And I'll go through with you on the phone, but it's so much better to be a visual. Silver Elite is a very doable step for everybody. And the cool part is, once you've got yourself there and you knew what it takes, you've learned how to do it, then the job kind of switches and you have to teach other people on how to get to Silver Elite. And if you do that over and over and over again consistently, then you're going to continue to grow. Your team will grow. You will continue to promote and earn flex points and earn bonuses and possibly even a trip if you want to. So let's go through real quick this advancement bubble sheet, and then you're going to jump into the training on learning how to promote to Silver Elite. So I'm going to turn you down a little bit here, and we're going to start. I know the words are probably backwards, but you'll get the point. You can see it in front of you. But the first thing we're going to start off with, your first task is going to be to name your team. And so this bubble represents you when you join. You are a bronze. Everyone starts as a bronze. And the first step for you in order to become a Silver Elite is, I want you to name your team. Who are you going to be and who are you going to represent and bring into your family? So this next one, you're going to obviously put your team name and then you will get your first promotion is Bronze Elite. And that's when it's all based on your sales. It's the $1,800 rolling 12 months. You have to watch that, because sometimes you think you might be there, but some sales have dropped off if it's taken longer than a year. The first step into leadership is Silver. And Silver is, here you are again, it's just you, but now you brought on a friend. And I've left this blank because you are going to fill this in. This is meant to be fillable. You are going to fill it up. And who is going to be your friend that you're going to join here? Now, if you don't have someone here, I want you to write the names down here of who you're going to ask. Who do you want to be in this circle? Now, if you have someone, then you can go ahead and write their name in there. Now, so this is the one starter kit that you have to sell, or the opportunity to share with somebody. And then your sales are now $3,600 in a 12-month rolling time period. If you do the math, that's a little over $300 a month. Now, you could do it much faster if you sell a little bit more. But these are your first 3 steps within the company. Now, next, it jumps right into Silver Elite. And this is what we are going to focus on throughout the whole next 3 weeks, is how do we get to here? So 1, again, put your name and your team name. Who is this? Then you have to have 5 people that you have shared the starter kit with. They just have to have purchased the starter kit. And you can write those names in of anybody that you have already. Or again, I left you a whole lot of blank space down here to write down potential people that you want to be within your team and your family. Now, one of those people has to be a silver, and that means her sales have to be, or their sales have to be 3,600 rolling, and they have to have one person that they've shared the starter kit with. So this is the makeup. It's very visual. And last but not least, your sales have to be the 7,200 rolling, and that's how you reach Silver Elite. All of these bubbles are empty. All of these bubbles are there for you to fill them in as you grow. So this is a visual for you to fill in throughout the whole time that you're working towards Silver Elite. This is not a race. We're not on a race to make this happen. I mean, you can be in a hurry, but it is a journey. If you want to build your business on a solid foundation, we have to grow customers, we have to grow our sales, we have to bring new recruits in, and then we have to build them up into leaders. And sometimes that can take a little bit of time. So one thing I always say to start off with is, sorry, that was my heater just kicked on. It was a little bit of patience as we move, and patience but action. Because I know some of you can do this right away because you might be a little bit closer. Some of you, it might take a full 6 months to make this happen. Your training is only 3 weeks long. That's not enough time for you to promote within the next 3 weeks unless you were already really close. But I want to teach you the tools that it's going to take for you to put into action over the course of the next 3 weeks, 3 months, and maybe even 6 months for you to be able to promote. But you will promote if you take the right steps, follow the program, and have faith. All right, I just wanted to pop in, say hi. We're going to spend the next couple weeks together, and I'm looking forward to seeing your success, to seeing you put things into action and making a difference not only in your business, but your team's business as you grow. All right, we'll see you. Bye-bye.